Long ago, in a small village, lived a boy named Rehan. Rehan was very curious. He wanted to know the secret behind everything, especially magic. His grandfather used to tell him a story. In the middle of an ancient forest, there's a magical pond where a sorcerer left all his powers. One day, when Rehan was alone, he decided to find this pond. The forest was dense, yet his determination was strong. The rustling of leaves, the eerie silence of the winds, and a faint sound of water in the distance all seemed to call him towards the pond. Eventually, he stood before a dazzling blue pond. As soon as he touched the water, the pond's waves began to glow, and from the midst rose a luminous figure. It was Darul Noor, the old sorcerer. "I am a guardian of this pond. Why do you come, Rehan?" the sorcerer asked. Rehan replied, "I want to learn magic so everyone remembers me." The sorcerer smiled and said, "Magic isn't for everyone, but your heart seems true. Remember, every magic has a price." He handed Rehan a bottle filled with light. "This holds your first power. Use it only when necessary." Rehan began to use magic. He turned leaves into gold, soared through the sky, and people were amazed. Gradually, he became famous, but also lonely. People admired him only for his magic, not for Rehan. Then one day, a young girl from the village, Noor, got lost in the jungle. Everyone panicked. Rehan used the last spell in the bottle and found Noor. The bottle was now empty. The sorcerer appeared once more and said, "You now understand the true purpose of magic. True power lies in helping others, not merely in fame." He placed his hand on Rehan's chest and said, "Now, the magic resides in your heart, not in any body." After that, Rehan never boasted, but whenever help was needed, he was the first to arrive. People remembered him not as a magician, but as a kind-hearted human being. And as for the forest, that magical pond still remains hidden. But only those reach it who understand the true meaning of magic: good intentions, courage, and truth.